Welcome to Eco Bharat. Eco Bharat offers innovative QR codes designed for emergency situations. A quick scan connects you directly with emergency services and your family, sharing location and medical history details for swift, effective assistance. Additionally, Eco Bharat enables seamless communication between vehicle owners, ensuring a hassle-free resolution without any confrontation. And all this without sharing your number. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to download the Eco Bharat app, purchase QR stickers, and activate them. We will also explore the features of the app. First, head over to the Play Store or App Store and search for Eco Bharat. You can also find the link in the description below. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and click on Skip to proceed. Now, enter your mobile number and verify it with the OTP you receive. If you are a new user, you'll be prompted to fill in your personal details, including your name, email address, password, gender, state, and district. Once you've filled in the information, click Continue. Congratulations, you've successfully registered with Eco Bharat. Let's take a quick look at the app interface. The Home tab. Here, you can find the Eco Bharat helpline number, tutorials, and more. The Sticker tab. You can view and manage your purchased QR stickers, as well as buy new ones. The Scan tab. Here, you can scan Eco Bharat QR codes on any vehicle quickly and easily. The Alert tab. Find alert zones near your location for added safety. The Profile tab. Here, you can edit your profile, change your password, add family members, check your orders, add alert zones, and log out or delete your account. Now, let's edit your profile. Tap on Edit Profile. Here, you can add your photo and choose whether or not to display it to bystanders for added privacy. In the Sticker Type section, you can fill in whether you have a car or a bike. You can also enter details like your vehicle insurance information, blood group, and emergency contact numbers. Make sure to add your family member's number for emergency situations, and if you have any chronic conditions, enter them to help with better care during emergencies. Don't forget to fill in your address, then click Update. Let's now purchase Eco Bharat's QR stickers. Go to the Sticker tab and click on Buy Sticker. You'll be prompted to choose the type of sticker, either bike or car. I'll add both to the cart. Click on View Cart, where you'll see the price breakdown. Next, click Proceed to checkout. Fill in your details like your name, shipping address, mobile number, and email address. Make sure to provide the correct information to ensure smooth shipping. Once everything is filled in, click Confirm Payment. After payment, you'll receive an email with all the details of your QR code, and it will be shipped to you shortly. Once you receive your QR stickers, you'll need to activate them. Find the QR code number on the sticker and head to the Stickers tab in the app. Click on Add QR Code, enter the unique code, and then fill in your vehicle number. Click Continue, and your vehicle is now linked to the QR sticker. You can now view your sticker details and link family members to the vehicle. You can also link your account and vehicle details to your family members. Go to the Profile tab, click on Family Members, then tap Add. Fill in the required details and click Submit. This ensures that in case of an emergency, your loved ones are also covered. And that's it. You are now all set to keep yourself and your family safe with Eco Bharat. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to contact us on our helpline number via call or WhatsApp, or send us an email. Stay safe and thank you for choosing Eco Bharat.